Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Trivedi here. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, then I'm going to tell you about myself a bit. My name is Ashutosh Trivedi and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I create videos which are helpful for speaking English learners. So today I'm going to wish you guys first of all that happy Holi to all of you in advance, because Holi is there after few days and I'm sure you people must be excited to celebrate Holi, because many people go back home, they enjoy Holi with the colors, they enjoy Holi with some sweets. So mainly for us, we have the main sweet which we prepare on Holi, that is gujia, and I like eating gujia so much. So that's what I am just here to make a video on this, to ask you people that what are your plans for this festival Holi, and are you aware of this festival or not? If you're watching from just other states, and if you know about this festival, please let me know in the comments below. If you do not know also, just write them down in the comments below that you don't know very much about it. Maybe later I will tell you in the future that what this festival is all about. So today I want to ask you guys, the question is that if you are about to celebrate this festival Holi, so what it is mean for you? How do you feel whenever this festival comes in the year? And what are the ways, how do you celebrate this festival? Like for us, to be honest, for me, I don't like playing Holi with the colors a lot, but I like going back home where I like eating gujia, I like talking to my parents. It's more of a family time, eating like, papad and all those things we do, and I enjoy this. But when I was a child or when I was at a school, I enjoyed, as far as I remember, when I was in 12th standard in 2019, there was Holi there, even though we were giving our board exams in those days. But we celebrated Holi in a grand manner. And then last time we enjoyed Holi a lot, that was in university, when I was in Banaras Hindu University. It was in 2020. That was the last time when I played Holi with my friends in a wonderful manner. After that, I was back home due to COVID-19, and actually, I don't like playing Holi with the people in my village a lot, because I have friends from the hostel, first Navodaya, then I went to BHU, I have some friends from there. But now don't feel like playing Holi a lot. It's more of a peaceful festival for me, where I can enjoy sitting with my family members and talk about something which is really important to discuss. At the same time, we can enjoy the dishes, we can enjoy some sweets. That's what I do. So I want you people to tell me and write in the comments below that what kind of activities do you generally do on Holi, and just what kind of sweets or the recipes do you prepare on this festival. So, or is it celebrated in the same manner like we people do in Uttar Pradesh or my city, or there are different ways of celebrating it? But in UP also we celebrate in this festival in a grand manner. In Mathura, it is celebrated in a special and manner, and in Banaras as well. So many people go to these places to enjoy this festival, actually Holi. So yes, that's what it is. At the end of the video, I want to wish you guys that happy Holi. I hope this festival brings a lot of happiness for you guys, and it will fulfill your desires, and you'll be able to complete things whatever you want to. So thank you so much. Many thanks to you. Bye bye. Take care.